Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to save hours of work by creating email templates in Outlook. If you find yourself typing the same welcome or follow-up email over and over, this is for you. Let's get started. First, open a new mail window and type out your message exactly how you want it. Next, in the top ribbon, look for the Insert tab and select it. Click My Templates in the drop-down bar. Finally, click Plus Template. Give it a title like New Client Intro and paste your text. Hit Save and you're done. Next time you need that email, you don't have to go hunting through your sent folder. Just open a new message, click My Templates, and tap your saved version. It instantly populates the body of the email, leaving you just to add the recipient and hit send. It's a total game changer for consistency. If you are still using the classic Outlook desktop app and prefer the old school file method, here's the process. First, click File, then Save As. Then change the Save As type to Outlook Template. To find this email later, you'll go to New Items, then More Items. Then choose from and look to your user template folder. If you have any questions about streamlining your Microsoft 365 workflow, reach out to our team. And we'll see you in the next tech tip.